Hey friends, in this class, we're going to learn how to install any Windows OS on VirtualBox, and today I'll show you Windows 7. First, let's understand what an ISO file is. An ISO is basically a disk image. Think of it like a snapshot of a CD or DVD. It contains all the files needed to install the operating system. You can even extract it if needed. Step 1, download Windows ISO. Go to Google and search download Windows 7 ISO. You can download it from Microsoft official site or other trusted sources. Same process applies for Ubuntu, Linux, or any Windows OS. Step 2, set up VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click New. Name your virtual machine. For example, Windows 7. Type Microsoft Windows version Windows 6 for bit. Step 3, allocate resources. I'll give 2 3 gigabytes, depends on your system. Hard disk, create a virtual hard disk. I'll use 32 gigabytes. Step 4, mount the ISO. Go to settings storage, click empty under controller, choose your Windows ISO file, apply the changes. Step 5, start the virtual machine. Click start. Your virtual machine will boot from the ISO file. Wait for Windows 7 to load. You will see the Windows installation screen. You can switch between full screen or scaled view as needed. Step 6, install Windows. Click next custom advanced installation. Select your virtual hard disk. Follow the normal installation process. It might take some time, this is normal. Once installed, Windows 7 will run inside VirtualBox safely without affecting your main system. Step 7, adjust display. Go to setting display screen resolution. Choose your preferred resolution. For example, 1920 x 1080. Apply changes. Now your virtual Windows looks full screen and ready to use. That's it. You successfully installed Windows 7 on VirtualBox. You can use the same steps to install Windows 8, 10 or any Linux OS like Ubuntu or Kali Linux. In the next video, I'll show you some practical commands and how to use your virtual systems for testing and learning safely. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching this class and I'll see you in the next one.